how to get approved for Navy Federal Personal Loan. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can get approved for Navy Federal Personal Loan. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, in order to get approved for Navy Federal Personal Loan, you must fulfill all these requirements. First is your credit score and financial history. Navy Federal doesn't disclose its minimum credit score requirement on its website, but generally speaking, applicants with higher credit scores have better approval odds and chances of qualifying. Second is your income and employment. Navy Federal also doesn't list any specific income or employment criteria on its website. However, it does review your income when you apply to assess your ability to make monthly payments over the life of the loan. So, if you are fulfilling these requirements, then you will get the approval for your personal loan. So, that's how you can get approved for a Navy Federal Personal Loan. That's all for this video.